Well, I done went and done it this time, you guys. Got something in my eye yesterday. I know exactly when it happened, is when I was holding up the camera to try to get a good shot inside that shredder for you guys. A dust plume came down, had a bunch of debris in it. It went in my eyes. Didn't hurt until about 1 a.m. last night. Then I couldn't sleep all night, so I'm going to shine the black light in it because I think I see something. And then Jackson's going to drive me to the ER. Not what I wanted to do on this Saturday since it's my Saturday off, but it hurts. I'm going to try to turn the light off and shine this black light and see if you guys can see it. Let me get you flipped around here. The GoPro doesn't do that great a job. Man, it hurts. The GoPro don't do that great a job up close, but there's a dot right in the middle of my eye. I don't know if it's a scratch or what, but anyway, let's go to the emergency room. Not where I want to be on a Saturday, guys. But Jackson's going to just chill out in the car for a little bit, and I'm going to go in here and see if they can get me fixed up. Well, that's a good sign. Nobody here, but also nobody behind the glass. Dang, it hurts. If I put pressure on it, it doesn't hurt as bad, but I know I shouldn't be doing that, but doing it anyway.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, I'm here. Got something. Yes, ma'am. I got something in my eye. I made an appointment for 8:30.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you?
Yes, ma'am. Probably need my insurance card too, don't you?
No, registration will actually get that in the back. Thank you, though.
Okay. You doing all right today?
Yes, sir. How about you?
Just been up all night with this stupid. I got trash in it.
Yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know what you got in it exactly?
It's just trash. I was standing at a big trash shredder. And I was actually filming, making a YouTube video, and a dust plume came down and had a lot of trash in it, so don't exactly know what other than trash dust. It didn't hurt until middle of the night, but I can see something in there. I have a black light and I shined it, so I think it's stuck in my eye.
Okay. No metal or anything like that in your trash pile?
I doubt it.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, ma'am.
Can you see out of it? It's just blurry?
I just don't want to open it. It hurts. But I can see out of it. Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna buzz you through. We're gonna get some vital signs on you, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Just go this way.
Okay.
Through that door.
All right. This is a nice facility.
We have
never been here.
9 beds in the back.
Y'all do everything just like a normal hospital would?
Like an ER would.
Okay.
But if you gotta get admitted, we have to send you somewhere else.
Cool. Yeah, I don't live far, so it's nice to have this right here. I think some of my employees have been here actually.
Really?
Yeah. More than likely for eye stuff, because we're all the time getting stuff in our eyes.
Why?
Just because of this. So I run a landfill.
Oh, okay.
And we're constantly pushing trash and.
The one right here?
Yeah, on Rainbow Falls.
Do your time. No fever, vitals are good.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. I'm sure they'll do like a special eye drop in your eye to make sure there's nothing in your eye or nothing scratched in your eye.
Awesome.
Let me see, they got your rufus. Sit right there for a second.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
This sucks. This is a really nice little ER. It's nice. It's only 5 minutes from the house, and I think like I said to her, some of our employees have been here already, you know, when we have little scrapes and cuts and stuff in our eyes. And yes, I know I should be wearing safety goggles. Don't know how much I'll be able to film, but I'll do my best. She said just don't film any of the providers. So I'll do what I can for you guys, but right now I just want to get my eye taken care of. I'm gonna get me some of those safety goggles with the foam that like makes a pretty good seal. I had some in the past, but you know, you get complacent. You don't get anything in your eye for a few years and I don't need safety goggles. And then you wind up in the emergency room. Wish they had the TV turned on. At least I could watch some cartoons.
Do you want to put anyone down as an emergency contact?
Yeah, you can put my son Jackson. He's out there in the car.
Same last name?
Yes, ma'am. Dadgum, this thing is hurting. Be glad when they put those numbing drops in.
Yeah, you got like a little pieces on there, it looks
I
like.
saw it with a black light. It's
Yeah.
going right to the left of my
Yeah.
cornea.
That's exactly.
Tried to get it with a Q-tip, but
Yeah, let me numb you up here for a second.
That sounds great to me, buddy.
Sometimes you can't get it out, it'll just kind of work its way.
Numbing drops would be heaven right now.
Come on up for and put your way up, sir. Okay, I'm gonna close your eyes for me. Not really. I'm gonna put it in the corner. It hurts a little less. It's gonna hurt for 30 seconds. Now go ahead and blink.
Oh yeah, that burns.
Oh no, it's been me. I had eye surgery and got infected. I've been there.
Ooh.
Okay, then you don't feel anything. Okay. All right, come on up here for me. Okay. Are you allergic to anything or not?
What's that?
You allergic to anything?
No, sir. Oh, that feels better already.
Yeah, they used to say you couldn't use those things long term or go home with them. You can probably use them for a day.
Yeah, my girlfriend got glitter in her eye, and I was wondering why they couldn't give her the numbing drops to take, but they won't send you home with them.
They used to say it would wear out the outer layer of your cornea.
Okay.
Now we're saying you can probably use it for a day, but you
gotcha.
gotta throw it away after that. I think it's gone. You made it.
You got it?
I got it.
What was it? Can you see it?
You can see it here on your other eye. It's that little piece of dust.
Oh, be darn. That's it, huh?
That's it.
Wow.
I'm gonna get you probably won't need the I mean, it'll be bruised a little bit. It shouldn't be too bad though.
Oh man, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's the best money I've spent in a while.
Those things are miserable. Actually,
Yeah.
you can't. Throw them away in a day though, okay? Use them, but throw them away in a day.
I got you.
What pharmacy you want to go to?
Food Line Pharmacy.
Okay, just across the road here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thanks, buddy. Wow. I know it's numb, but I can't feel anything. It feels so amazing. One little teeny speck of dust or trash or something, but wow. The relief. It's crazy. I mean, y'all saw it, he just tapped it and got it out. I tried with a Q-tip this morning, but it hurt so bad, and I was like, man, I'm probably just pushing it deeper into my eye or something, so I kind of quit. I said, let me just go to the emergency room, but that was awesome. Only been here for 25 minutes. So I'm at Sweetwater ER in North Augusta, South Carolina, just right up the road, and I was really dreading going to the doctor because usually you have to sit forever. But as y'all saw, there was nobody in the waiting room. They got me back, got me taken care of. This is awesome.
Just got turned just to play a blank for me. Now I'll put a blue light on. You'll have a little bruise because you always do.
Okay.
Those things cause it. The fancy word for eye bruise is a corneal abrasion.
Corneal abrasion.
Yeah.
Learned something new today,
They
Doc.
heard about. It hurt. I mean, it's still going to hurt you. Again, don't use those things but a day.
I understand.
At least that'll get you through the worst of it.
It feels great right now.
Yeah, it'll wear off here pretty.
So how often can I use the numbing drops? I know I can only use it for a day, but
every 2 hours for a day.
every 2 hours for a day. Okay, yes sir, we'll do. Man, I sure appreciate your help today, buddy.
Thank you. That's good when you got good things that happen. Yeah, it's just a itty bitty little bruise. Okay.
Okay, cool.
See the defect. All right.
Awesome, you the man.
It's always good to be able to do sometimes something little and simple.
Man.
I had eye surgery. I'll come down with this, and I got infected. Nobody had PRK. I was in the military.
Yeah?
And they normally just, but neither of that. I got infected. It was, I've had, several surgeries, sinus, shoulder off. It was the worst.
Yeah. Thank you, buddy.
All right.
All right, so you just put some kind of dye in my eye. I thought I was all done, but he put some dye in there. It says it's gonna bruise, as you heard, and gave me the numbing drops. They usually don't give you the numbing drops, so I only can use it for 1 day though. All right, let's get out of here, go home.
Have a great day.
All right, thank you guys. Appreciate you, Doc.
All right.
Y'all have a great weekend.
Thank you.
Do I need to see anybody out front or?
No, sir, you're good to go.
Awesome. Thanks y'all. Have a great weekend. Thank y'all.
Have a good day.
You too. never had an emergency room visit that went that well. So again, Sweetwater ER here in North Augusta, South Carolina. Man, my hat's off to you guys. Y'all did a fantastic job. I was in and out in no time, and my eye feels so much better. Well guys, I'm gonna go edit some videos for you. Give the video a thumbs up if you don't mind. Consider subscribing if you hadn't already, and I'll see you on the next one.